Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious and easy recipe that's called Thukpa. Thukpa is nothing but a noodle soup that's popular in the northeast of India, Tibet and Nepal area. And let's get started. Now the ingredients for this recipe are a tablespoon of oil, some cilantro leaves, chopped onions, grated or shredded carrots. These are the cabbage leaves that are roughly chopped. I have some lime juice, a pinch of garlic that's minced, some red chili powder, and this is the masala. I'm using the Maggi masala, but you can also use the vegetable stock cubes. You can either use that, but for a change today I'm using the Maggi masala, but I generally use the other one as well. I have some mushrooms, and since it's a noodle soup, I also have some noodles that are boiled about 4 to 5 minutes in water and then rinsed it and rubbed a little bit of oil so they don't stick to each other. Now I'm going to heat the wok and add this oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the garlic. After adding the garlic, I'm going to add the onions and the mushrooms. Just saute for a few minutes till the garlic and the onions and mushrooms are slightly cooked. I'm also going to add the carrots. Cook on high to medium flame. Now I'm just going to cover this and leave it for a couple of minutes so the mushrooms can cook well. Just a couple of minutes on low flame. Now our mushrooms have been cooking for a couple of minutes and they've become soft. Now at this point of time, I'm going to add the cabbage as well. Cabbage takes very less time to cook. So I'm just going to saute it on high flame for just 2 minutes. I'm just going to add some masala. This is the Maggi masala, but you can also use the vegetable cubes as well. Now this Maggi masala already has salt, so I'm not adding the salt. Unless you think the salt is less, you can add a pinch of salt for your taste. So this is the red chili powder. And it's a spicy thukpa, so the red chili powder and the masala tastes really good. Now I'm just going to lower the flame and add the water. Now after adding the water, I'm going to let the water boil as well. I'm going to add a little bit more water. And like I said, if you think the salt is less, do add a little bit of salt, extra salt. So let it simmer for a few minutes, and while it's simmering, I'm also adding the noodles, cilantro, and the lime juice. Lime juice gives a little bit of sourness to this entire dish, and I'm just going to mix everything. It already looks attractive and it's going to taste super awesome. So I'm just going to mix everything and add a little more water. Now since I added some extra water, I also added a pinch of salt because salt was a little less for the amount of water. And you can see the soup has been boiling and the noodles are also cooked anyways. So I'm going to turn off the gas and serve the noodle soup because it's ready. So I'm just going to take the noodles. Now I'm going to serve my thukpa or the noodle soup with these bean sprouts, some jalapenos and some mint leaves to add to the taste of the soup, and just serve the soup with all these delicacies and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this delicious and comfort food recipe, and do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe. And for more videos, tune in till next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.